This is what the entry looks like, and this is our ratty doormat, and I know I can do better. Let me show you. I just got this absolutely gorgeous doormat that not only will look more modern and beautiful, but it'll actually help clean people's feet better before they walk into our home. Let's set it up. It's looking so much better already. And it might need some time to flatten. And it does warn me right here that it should take a full 72 hours to fully flatten. So let's see how it looks right now. It's already so much nicer. Yes, it's still bumped up on the corners, but I know that will go with time. But what a difference that already made. My door is way more welcoming. Really, really love it. It's got good scruffiness to it, really easy to clean your feet really well. It's all plastic, so this is going to be really highly durable. It's not going to collect too much stuff or get smelly. And then the back side is also just this hardcore rugged material that's really meant to last. So this is going to handle our wet weather and our kids and all of the foot traffic so well, keeping it from going into our home. Absolutely love it. Cat does too.